The value of time. On the edge of a quiet village lived a 16-year-old boy named Ethan. He was bright, kind, and full of dreams. He wanted to become a successful engineer one day. Yet he had one dangerous habit. He always believed there would be more time. Every morning, Ethan promised himself he would study after breakfast. But instead, he watched videos, played games, or wandered through the village with his friends. "I'll start tomorrow," he would always say. Tomorrow became next week. Next week became next month. One afternoon, Ethan met an old clockmaker named Mr. Harrison. The tiny shop was filled with clocks of every shape and size. Some ticked loudly while others chimed softly. Mr. Harrison smiled and handed Ethan an old pocket watch. "This watch doesn't tell you the time," he said. "It reminds you how precious time is." Confused, Ethan opened the watch. Inside were engraved words. Lost money can be earned again. Lost health can sometimes be restored, but lost time never returns. Those words stayed in Ethan's mind. A few days later, his school announced a scholarship competition. The winner would receive a full scholarship to the country's best university. Ethan had always dreamed of such an opportunity. He wanted to participate, but he realized he had wasted months that could have been spent preparing. While others had studied consistently, he was only beginning. Instead of giving up, Ethan made a decision. He woke up before sunrise every day. He stopped wasting hours on meaningless distractions. He created a study schedule, read books, practiced mathematics, and learned from his mistakes. Every evening, he looked at the pocket watch and reminded himself that every minute mattered. The journey was difficult. There were days when he wanted to quit, but he remembered that every successful person respected time more than comfort. Months later, the scholarship results were announced. Ethan did not finish first. He finished second. For a moment, disappointment filled his heart. Then Mr. Harrison met him again. "You didn't lose," the old man said with a smile. "Months ago, you were losing every single day. Today, you've gained discipline, knowledge, and respect for time. Those are rewards no one can take away." Ethan realized the old man was right. His greatest victory was not a scholarship. It was becoming a person who valued every moment. Years later, Ethan became a successful engineer. Whenever young students asked him the secret of his success, he would take out the same old pocket watch and say, "Your future isn't built in one big moment. It's built minute by minute. Respect your time, and your time will build the life you dream of." Moral of the story: time is life's most valuable treasure. Once a moment is gone, it can never be brought back. Those who use their time wisely create opportunities, while those who waste it often regret it later.